If you want to submit any feedback or report about an issue on Google Translate web version, here are two methods by which you can submit your feedback about an issue. Now we will see the process. Click on three horizontal line on top left corner. In the fourth number, send feedback option is appearing. Click on it. In the above text box, you can describe your all feedback or what issue you are getting. In the second number, capture in screenshot option is visible. You can capture a screenshot of your current screen. Then you have to click on this checkbox and then send option will be enabled. Now we will check the second option of submit feedback in Google Translate web version. I am going back by clicking on this cross icon. So this is the home page of Google Translate web version. Here is the hyperlink of send feedback. Click on it. Now again same interface is appearing. You can type your all query here. Attach screenshot. Click on this checkbox and then select send option. In another video I will show you how we can capture a screenshot of current issue and the message after submitting feedback.